So you guys tell me which is more deeply ingrained in our psyche, Michael Jackson or Santa Claus? Right? I mean, the bottom line is, hey, Santa Claus goes way deeper. So when we're drinking the Coca-Cola, we're not saying, oh, I like the flavor. We're going, Santa Claus, you know, polar bears. All of this stuff is going on subconsciously in our brain.
Funny story about this guy, good-looking guy, right? True story, this is my college roommate. And what's funny about him, he should have been a model. What's funny about him is in college, he was the ugly one. And I'm not kidding you. I want to show you a picture of what we looked like in college. That's him in college. He was ugly. I was the good-looking one, and then all this happened, right? You know, my wife tells me, she says, yeah, it was false advertising. You had hair when I met you, and now it's just gone. What happened there?
So we've seen the problems that businesses have. Now let's talk about the action steps that you can take going away from here tomorrow when you get back to the office. These are the things that I want you to be thinking about so that you take action on what we're doing. We're going to look at a lot of different things today. We're going to start out on the tactical side of the basis, and then we're going to move over to the strategic side.
So I think what Facebook is actually doing is saying, that's the law for broadcasters. We don't fall under that law. Yeah. But I think we're going to just follow it because it's a safe thing for us to do. It's blown up in their face. It's been a disaster.
Hey, my name is Jamie Turner, and I'd like to invite you to connect with me. You may already know a little bit about me, but what you may not know is that in addition to working with some of the largest corporations on the planet, I also work with some not so large corporations. So if you are looking for somebody to come in and do a keynote speech or a workshop designed to help people communicate better, be more productive, and even perform at their peak, then let's talk to one another, because that's exactly what I do. My name is Jamie Turner, and I'll talk to you soon.